Have you ever seen a house that could get sick? With just a single sneeze, it blew Jenny right out the door. Unable to bear it any longer, she decided to put the house up for sale. After announcing the open house date, Jenny returned one last time to take care of a few loose ends. But the moment she stepped onto the porch, she nearly twisted her ankle. Barely regaining her balance, the house sneezed again. A blast of hot air from the windows almost knocked her over. Even the doorknob was scorching hot. Jenny finally forced the door open, only to discover the indoor temperature had reached 105 degrees Fahrenheit and was still climbing. To cool things down quickly, she used chewing gum to jam the air conditioner switch. But then she caught a strange smell. Following it to the bathroom, she found the sink overflowing with disgusting slime. In a hurry, she covered it with a towel and sprayed air freshener to mask the odor. But this only made the house feel worse. It let out an enormous sneeze and sent Jenny flying once again. Jenny was about to lose her temper when she noticed an old photo album on the ground. Inside were pictures of her parents' younger days. She suddenly realized